So over here, you can see that I'm in the drawing interface right here. And if I were to go ahead and then navigate, you can see these three lines right here. So you can see that there's this blue line, there's green line, and this red line right here, just like this. The blue line right here represents the y-axis. The red line represents the x-axis, while the green line represents the z-axis right here. That is the height, the width, and depth. So this can be used as a reference. So you can see that this spans across right here lightly, over here as well. So whenever you're actually drawing, let's say for example, if I were to use a pencil tool and click right here, then what happens is that it snaps onto place in the green line, as you can see right here. So that is because it aligns with the z-axis, the green axis. If I were to go ahead and click, you can see that I have that, and now I have this particular line right here, which is red. If I were to bring this right here, you can see it's black, but if I were to go around over here, you can see that it's red because it's aligned with the red axis. So now whenever you draw out in perspective as well, as long as it is snapped out, you know that it is actually aligned out right here. So if I were to go around right here and click, and then go around and click, then you got you got a shape right here, which is perfectly aligned out right here, just like this. So now you can go ahead and let's say for example, extrude this shape, and then this is what you have. So that is how you can take axis as a reference point inside of SketchUp. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.